These are the materials you will need for this assignment. If you do not have these materials at home, please feel free to come by school and I will go ahead and take some out to you. Review. So let's briefly review what we did last week. Last week we learned about line. Line is the element of art that refers to the path of a point moving through space. We already know that. Now, these lines can be used expressively in art, so that means that certain lines can be used to help create certain moods or effects. So the reason why this is important for you to keep in mind is because as this element of art is a really important base to anything that we create in any shape, way, or form in this class, I also need you to understand that it's important for this project too in particular. So let's go ahead and go into our project. Let's go ahead and get started. I have grabbed a sheet of paper. This paper in particular is a recycled piece of paper to show you that you at home, if you don't have any blank paper, you can use some recycled paper as long as it's blank in the back. I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half, as I call it, hot dog style. And then I am going to go ahead and make sure my line is nice and creased, and I'm going to fold it once more. And after this, I'm going to fold it one more time. So I'm just showing you again how to do it. Make sure that you're following along. Fold it once more. Again, I'm just showing you. So fold it once more, and you should have 8 sections to work with once you are done. So it's 8 sections. Right now, they're all divided by the creases, I guess, yeah, creases that were made. And I'm going to go ahead and take a ruler or a straight edge. If you don't have a ruler, you don't need it, you can use a straight edge. What is a straight edge? I have told a few of you more than a couple of times that a straight edge pretty much means an edge that is straight. So it can be a piece of paper, a book, it's up to you what you find in your own home. Go ahead and just trace those creases that were made when you folded. And I'm just making sure they lined up. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my 8 sections are visible to me. So I'm about to go ahead and finish up here. What is going to come up next is my laptop screen. So I'm going to show you my laptop screen with these wonderful different variations of line patterns. I'm going to choose my favorite 8, and I'm going to put 1 in each of the 8 rectangles. So like always, I'm time-lapsing the way that I am working on my activity. And I would like to remind you that at any point, if you need to go ahead and pause the video, rewind, feel free to do so. And just go ahead and watch as I work on this. Alright kiddos, so this is the finished product. This is what yours should look like. I did use a little bit of Sharpie here. You can do the same as well, but it is not required for this practice activity. This is the worksheet that you will be working with. Remember, you will choose your 8 favorite designs and you will go ahead and include 1 design in 1 box. So that it will be a total of 8 designs. Now, this is part 1 of your assignment. This is not the entire part 1 and 2 together. This is just part 1. In order for you all to receive part 2 next week on Monday, you will all need to turn in part 1 to me by Friday. So again, remember, you're just choosing your 8 favorite designs from that worksheet that was shown to you previously, and you will put 1 in each box, and I'll say it more than once. Okay, you'll put one in each box, and you will go ahead and use these for part 2 of your assignment. A hint is self-portrait. Now don't worry, okay? Just think about what picture you'd like to go ahead and use for your self-portrait. This part of the assignment is due August 28th, 11:59 p.m. Make sure you upload it to Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Alrighty? I'll see you later. Bye!